home screen. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Group apps on iPhone. Step 1. Touch and hold the home screen background until the apps begin to jiggle. To create a folder, drag an app onto another app. Drag other apps into the folder. You can have multiple pages of apps in the folder. To rename the folder, touch and hold it, tap rename and then enter a new name. If the apps begin to jiggle, tap the home screen background and try again. When you're finished, tap done, then tap the home screen background twice. So first we are going to press on an app, press edit home screen, and then the apps will begin to jiggle. Then we drag the app onto another app, and then we have a folder. We can press on that folder and rename the folder by pressing on the top. I'm going to rename this one Some Apps. And you can add more apps onto it if you want to. To customize app icons, open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Action. In the search bar, type Open App and select the Open App option. Tap Choose and select the app you want to customize. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. From here, give the shortcut a name and tap Add to Home Screen. Rename, choose App Icon and press Add. To customize the app icons, we go to the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon, select Add Action. In the search bar we type Open App and choose this. Press App and I'm going to search App Store. Then we tap three dots and choose Add to Home Screen. Then we can change the name and call it Mariam's App Store and choose a picture and press like this. Crop it and press Use Photo. Then press Add. Then when we go to home screen, it's over here, and when we open it, it opens App Store. Here are the end results of the home screen. Tell me your ideas of customizing your home screen in the comments below. Check me out on Twitter and on my website. Don't forget what you got today, and I'll see you in the next one.